Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to create 2D drawings in FreeCAD using the TechDraw workbench. In this video we'll show you how to create technical drawings from 3D models. So first let's take a quick look at the FreeCAD interface. As we mentioned in our previous videos, the main window consists of several parts including the main menu. We've got toolbars, the 3D view area and the combo view to the left hand side in this configuration. We will use these elements to create our 2D drawing. So to get started we will need a 3D model to create our 2D drawing from. Open the 3D model you want to create a drawing from. In my case I'm going to use a model that I previously created, this FreeCAD logo. So we're going to open that up. I'm going to go to front face and I'm going to hit VF. Instead of hitting VF you can go to view, standard views and go to fit all, but the keyboard shortcut as seen to the right of this is VF. Okay, now let's create a new drawing in the TechDraw workbench. So I'm going to, from my drop down, I'm going to select TechDraw and then I'm going to create a new page. I can do this by selecting insert default page. This will add a new tab down here, and as you can see the default drawing has been inserted. So if I wanted to change my default template, what I would do is in my combo view I can go down to page, I can expand this out and select template. Here the last option here you can see template along with a link to the SVG file. I can hit the three dots to the right hand side and this will open up the folder for me to select whatever template that I want. So in this case it was A4 landscape TD. I'm going to change this to blank, so A4 landscape blank. Open that and that'll just give us a blank canvas to work from. So now I'm going to go back to my model and I'm going to select the part that I want to use in my drawing. So then I have two options in order to insert a view into my drawing. I can go up to the toolbar and hit insert view, or I can go to insert projection group. This will create multiple views of the same model. So in this case I'm going to go insert projection group, and here we have a few options available to us. First is the projection, first angle, third angle. I'm going to leave this in first angle for the time being. I'm just going to leave the scale to page as well, and just down here we can add additional views other than the one that we currently have presented. So primary, which is this front view that I've already selected. I'm also going to select a top view and a side view as per a general standard engineering drawing. I do have spacing options here as well that I can choose, but for now, since I can modify this at a later point, I'm just going to hit apply and OK. Although nothing has changed from what we can see, if I go to my page tab, I can see that it has inserted these three views: my primary, my top and my side view. So I want to change the scale because these are looking a bit small, so I'm going to go up to page and it's currently set to 1. I want to double the size, so I'm going to change this to 2. Hit enter and then I'm going to select the redraw page, and then I'm going to just place that somewhere where it looks okay. Okay, now I have my views positioned how I would like. It's now time to add dimensions. So how I'm going to add dimensions is I'm going to, say for example, select two lines, holding control while selecting them, and then selecting the type of dimension that I want to apply to these two lines. So here I'm going to select this line, holding control and selecting the second one. If I find it difficult to select something, I can always zoom in to get a bit more of an accurate selection, and then in this case I'm going to hit insert horizontal dimension. Then I can just drag that down to the bottom and have it positioned whatever way that I want. I'm going to select the top line, the bottom line, vertical, and I can drag the dimension to get out to the left. So I'm just going to put my max dimensions on each one of these views. Top, bottom, vertical. And although this is redundant because I'm duplicating dimensions that already exist, but in the interest of completeness, just to get something on each of the views. That's that. And then if I wanted to put an angle in here, for example, I could 1 line, 2 line, select angle dimension. And then for the diameter, for example, I can just select, I just need to select one line, so I don't need a whole control this time because I'm only selecting one line. And then place dimension. And also for the inner one, dimension. There we go. And obviously we can continue to add dimensions as we see fit. Control, vertical, but for now that'll do. So now that I have all of the dimensions that I want placed into my drawing, I can now export the drawing. So if I select my page from the combo view, then I'll go to File and Export, and here it's already set to PDF for me, but you can select PDF from the drop down of files of type, and say I'll chuck this onto the desktop. Here I'll just resave over this test PDF, hit save. Don't want to replace it, yes I do. There we go. So if I now open up my desktop and open up test PDF, here we will have our drawing. Okay, and there we have it. We've created a 2D drawing and exported it to a PDF from FreeCAD. Thanks for watching this tutorial creating 2D drawings in FreeCAD. I hope you find it helpful, and if you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.